Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these vegan Biscoff cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small bowl and place in your alternative milk. Into that add in your vinegar and mix the two together until they are well combined, set aside for around 10 minutes. Into another bowl, which is larger, you'll want to add in your self-rising flour, followed by your rising agents and your sugar, and whisk them together just until they are combined. Then into your buttermilk alternative, you'll want to add in your oil and vanilla, and again just whisk these together and just until they are combined. It doesn't need to be fully, just well combined. Try not to make a mess like I did. Then add in your liquid mixture into your dry ingredients and mix until you have a cake batter formed. This needs to be used straight away and cannot be left for any period of time, otherwise the mixture will start to deflate. So grab your 12 hole muffin pan which has been lined with some liners and fill them around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full. And as you can see, I've got it roughly about the same. Feel free to wait if you really want to, but you can then go and bake these off at 180 for around 18 to 22 minutes. While they're in the oven, you can go ahead and make the buttercream, which is really simple. Take a bowl and place in your vegan butter alternative and Biscoff spread, not forgetting the vanilla, and whisk them together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Around 5 to 7 minutes will work really well for this recipe. Now you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Make sure you get the very top and the bottom of the bowl. Then add in all of your icing sugar and mix on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium high, and then mix until the buttercream is light and fluffy. It should be a further 5 to 7 minutes, or until you've reached the right consistency. Then you can give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and take your cupcakes and core the centre of them out, and then you can fill this crevice with a generous amount of Biscoff spread. The hardest decision is whether you use smooth or crunchy. I went with crunchy as it adds a bit more texture, but feel free to use whatever you've got. Then top each of the cupcakes with a generous amount of the buttercream. Feel free to use more or less than I have. It's really up to you. There's no right or wrong, it's just all dependent on your personal preference. You can then go ahead and sprinkle over some Biscoff crumbs, and this is just to add more Biscoff because why not? You get a bit more flavour and texture, and it just looks good as well, so don't forget to add it if you can. It's just a crushed up biscuit, and top each cupcake with a biscuit. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.